So, hello, we are at the plating part. We've finished. We've plated it. I have mashed potatoes because I am a person who loves mashed potatoes with fish. And as you can see, if you, it should be this soft where you can just peel it off. If you go to a restaurant, that's something that will do often. But a lot of times they have fish that have a lot of bones, which this one does. So you just slowly pull it apart, and you can drizzle some more stuff on it, and it tastes really good, and it's really soft and wonderful. I suggest if you don't want to spend $30 on some fish, that you try it at home yourself. Remember, it's really nice. It's really easy. I would suggest also, to cook an extra bit of sauce, because it doesn't take long to make it, and for extra. Or you could put in just regular soy sauce. Will do the trick, and put it in the microwave. You don't have to cook it over the stove. You can just put it over the microwave really quick and whip it up. Because really the sauce is the easier part of the meal. All right. So this is how it looks, and it tastes really good. All right. Bye.